Just one, whoever eats it the quickest.
You got your clock. Your timer.
When you're done with that, hold it up in the air. But before that, keep your hands behind your back.
Okay. How much do we get?
Okay. We're going to count down, Biscuit. Biscuit! We're going to count down.
From what? 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so let's everybody count.
Alright, everybody get ready. We'll count down from 3. 3, 2, 1, go! Y'all come on, y'all got to cheer them on.
You got it! You're ahead! You gotta
Come on, you can do it!
Come on!
Come on, guys, y'all cheer them on.
Let's get away from it. Go, guys, keep going! You almost got it, girl. Come on. Oh, she's almost there. Come on, a little bit more. She's almost. Come on.
They're in the home stretch. Come on, guys, don't let them down. Cheer them on.
Oh, wow, she's catching up. I think that's good. He's done. Hold tight.
We have a winner.
Hold it up. Wait a minute. Hold it again. Let's get your picture. Let me take a picture.